Hello, this is Kenneth Jayasuriya from Porsche Centre Calgary. Just here to talk to you about our classic car department and a little bit what we're doing here. We actually, right behind us, we have our Porsche 993. It's a C4S. It's a 97 and it's a client of ours car. We've actually put this vehicle into one of our, or I guess I should say a competition with Porsche to actually do a classic restoration on this vehicle. This kind of is going to be a good part to show what we can do and as well help out a customer that wants to turn his vehicle that was basically a 97 driver C4S, and it's kind of had its little wear and tear over the years, and then turn it back into the original car where it came from. Using original Porsche classic parts and also our technical knowledge here in our service department. As you can see, the car is a little stripped down. It's not quite as recognizable as it used to be, but what we've done here is we're slowly dismantling this vehicle. This vehicle literally drove in here. You may find it on our Facebook and Twitter and Instagram posts on the vehicle, but you can see it as a complete unit. But we've actually stripped it down. We're going through every component individually now that we've actually done a quote and a process to let the customer know, what he wants to do and how far he wants to take it. But we've now gone through, dismantled the vehicle, itemized everything, and just slowly worked with the car just to make sure that everything's up to Porsche spec, all original equipment and parts are being used. And finding, I guess, the little issues that kind of happens with a 20-plus-year-old vehicle. Some things as much as just wear and tear of suspension components. Other things like, a little bit of rust, perforation, that kind of thing that's starting. These are all things that will be addressed that are, over time, just driving in Alberta weather can happen to your vehicle. But the nice thing about it is, as we all know, this is an air-cooled Porsche. It does have, a lot of value to it, but as well, for the client's sake, they're wanting to just make sure that this car kind of feels the way that it came out back in '97, bringing back that old school feel. But yeah, follow, us along on this journey with the vehicle. Kind of see the posts previous that we have just as a vehicle complete, and we'll kind of take you through kind of the journey with this as a step-by-step, vehicle disassembly, paint, interior, mechanical, the full works. So enjoy.